So what you need is 2 small aubergines. If you have a big one, you can use 1 big one. 1 bell pepper of any color, lady's finger, green apple, cauliflower, 2 carrots, garlics, maybe 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, 2 red onions, 1 seasoned tofu, and today I'm using the black pepper sauce, the aubergine, because this is the simplest one. So we're gonna cut it small like the usual, that cut into 3, and I'm gonna cut to even smaller slices. I like it to cut it smaller because then it can fit into our mouth. And it's gonna be something like this. So after cutting your capsicum into juliennes is like strips, you'll cut it into smaller pieces again. And depending how big you want, I'm gonna cut it to this size, if you guys can see. So now we are on to the cauliflower. We're gonna do the same. I'm gonna cut into as small as possible. And when it comes to the stem, I don't like to waste it because it's still edible. You just want to cook a little bit longer, so we're gonna cut it a little smaller. So let's start, and we are gonna start with the onions and the garlic, and slowly fry them. So while the onions and garlic is cooking, we can go ahead and put the carrots, because the carrots do take a while for it to cook, and the stem of the cauliflower, because that does take time for it to cook too. And now, since the carrot, if you see the onions is a little bit charred, that is what you want, and the carrot is having to be charred a little as well. You can go ahead to put the apples in. And the cauliflower. And now we can add a little bit of water inside and just let it simmer. And while the water is boiling, go ahead to put in your black pepper sauce inside. And just let it simmer and let it melt slowly. You can slowly start adding the capsicum and your aubergine into the pan. And you can go ahead and cover it. So if you find that your vegetable is cooking a little slow, go ahead to add half a cup of water first. And go ahead and cover. So now the water is boiling. You can go ahead to add your lady's finger into it. Slowly. So now, lastly, oops, you can go ahead to put the tofu in. If you don't want to put the liquid in, you don't have to, but I like to have the liquid in. And you can slowly push it in and let it boil until the sauce goes down. So it is done and it is ready to eat.